Hi boys and girls, today we're going to work on an addition strategy called counting on. We can count on when we're adding 1, 2, or 3 to a problem. Let's look at the first problem that I have. It says, Sam has 9 books in a box. He gets 1 more. How many books does he have? Okay, I'm going to look at my problem. So look over here at 9 plus 1. Which number is my greater number? That's right, 9 is my greater number. So I'm going to circle that number. That's the number of books in this box. I'm going to add 1 more. So I put 1 book next to the box. I'm going to start at the number 9 and count 1 more. So I say 9, 10. So 9 plus 1 is 10. Because all I did was count 1 more, or say the number that comes after 9. So really, counting on means you're going to start to count at the greater number, the number that I have on my box. All right, let's look at another one. Okay, Sam has 9 books in a box. He gets 2 more. How many books does he have? All right, again, I'm going to start at 9, and I'm going to count on 2 more from the number 9. So 9, 10, 11. So 9 plus 2 is 11. All right, 1 more. Just practicing starting at the number 9 and counting on. Sam has 9 books in a box. He gets 3 more. How many books does he have? Okay, we're going to start at that number 9 again, and we're going to count on 3 more numbers. Start at 9, 10, 11, 12. So 9 plus 3 is 12. All right, turn the page to 138. Turn the page to 138. So that's your next page. All right, we're up in the top, in the pink box. It says you can count on to add 1, 2, or 3. Start with the greater added in, and then count on. So look at the problem down here. 3 plus 5 equals. So what is my greater number? That's right. My greater number is 5. So I'm going to circle my greater number. And that's the number that I'm going to start at. All right? So next to my 5, I have 3 books because I'm adding 3 more. I'm going to count on 3 more. All right. So starting at 5, we say 6, 7, 8. All right. Trace over those numbers. 6, 7, 8. So 3 plus 5 equals, that's right, it equals 8. Okay, let's try another one. Okay, this is number 2 in your workbook. It says 6 plus 3. The first thing we're going to do is circle the greater added in. So circle your number 6. because it is the greater additive, the bigger number. And we're going to draw boxes next to our number to count on. So 6 plus 3. I need to draw 3 more boxes. 1, 2, 3. And now I'm going to count on. So I'll start at the number 6, 7, 8, 9. So 6 plus 3 equals 9. All right, let's look at another one. All right, so we have have 6 in our box here because 6 is our greater number. Now don't get tricked just because they put the equal sign over here in the middle, okay? The equal sign can be over here and our number sentence can be to the right of it, or it can be to the left of it. So we're going to start with 6. How many more will we count on? That's right, 1. So I'm just going to draw 1 box. So 6, 7. So 1 plus 6 equals 7. All right. Let's do one last example. Okay. They did the same thing here. They put our equal sign here. Your answer or sum will go on this side, and your number sentence is over here. All right. Circle the greater additive. Right, circle 7. And we're going to add 3 more. So we're going to count up 3. So I'm going to draw 3 boxes. And I'm going to start at the number 7 and count on. 7, 8, 9, 10. So 7 plus 3 equals 10. All right. I want you to complete the problems on page 138 and the top of 139. Make sure you're using the strategy of counting on. Circle the greater additive and then count on to find the sum. Keep up the good work. I'll be around to check to see how you're doing, and we'll come to the rug to do the word problems together.